Hello, friends and practice members. I'm Dr. Martin Brown, chiropractor. In this video message, I'm going to address a vitally important aspect of life and health. For the past year, we've been living with an unprecedented amount of feelings of fear. Certainly, this is a serious issue, and we all lament the lives lost. Nearly every one of us has been affected by the COVID virus in one way or another. The level of fear which has been spread by the government and the media is greater than anything else like that in my lifetime. My message today will attempt to replace that level of fear with logic and facts. As a wellness doctor, I like to start my presentations with an understanding of just what health and disease are. This is the definition of health according to the World Health Organization. Quote, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. This is very different from what most people think when they first come to our office. When questioned, most say only that health is feeling good. We attempt to teach that health is a reflection of how your body is functioning, not just how you feel. This is much more in line with the World Health Organization definition. The facts are that the survival rate from the COVID virus is better than 99%. And that most who succumb to the disease have other serious health issues, such as obesity, diabetes, heart disease, etc. The fact that 72% of Americans are either overweight or obese further complicates the problem. The germ theory proposes that a particular pathogen, a bacteria or virus, commonly called a germ, causes a particular disease. In 1890, Robert Koch published a set of 4 conditions that would establish a causal relationship between a germ and a particular disease. Unfortunately, Koch's postulates has exceptions and doesn't always hold true. Thus, the germ theory remains a theory and not a law. There is a formula, though, that can give us a better understanding of the relationship between health and disease. That is, health or disease equals the number of germs times the strength or virulence of the germ divided by the resistance or immunity of the host. The medical profession deals mostly with the pathogen, the top of the equation, with treatments and vaccines that focus on germs. Another, and we think better, solution is to adopt a healthy lifestyle, make necessary changes in your life, and build up your immune system. It takes work and may not be easy, but will give you a happier and more energetic life in the long run. Another consideration in the pursuit of health and happiness is the law of attraction, which states that, quote, like attracts like. Whatever you dwell on with thought and emotion, you attract more of the same to yourself. If you allow fear to engulf you, you are subconsciously attracting more of what you fear toward you. We all know people in our lives that are living examples of the law of attraction. Life is risky. We don't randomly go out and play in traffic, but we know that while out walking or driving, there is a risk. There's also a small risk that we may contract COVID. For most people, it's like catching a bad cold or flu. For a tiny minority, it may be very serious. However, living in constant fear of disease is not living at all. There is a free ebook on our website page and Facebook page called, quote, 7 Keys to Health, written by Joy Flory Brown, certified health coach and certified comprehensive iridologist. Go to www.brownchiro.net or facebook.com/brownchiropractic and click on Sign Up to download the free ebook. Thank you for watching, and please share this video with others so we can get this logical method of fact out to more people. Have a great week.